Conquer your lawn with the LUBA 2 AWD 5000X. Tired of spending your weekends mowing? Let's explore how the LUBA 2 AWD 5000X robot lawnmower can revolutionize your lawn care routine. The LUBA 2 AWD 5000X from Mammotion is a robotic lawnmower designed for homeowners, tech enthusiasts, and landscapers. It boasts all-wheel drive, 4G connectivity, and AI-powered features. This mower promises effortless lawn maintenance for areas up to 1.25 acres, with a maximum capacity of 1.48 acres. This robotic mower is priced at $2,999 and available on Amazon. It features a cutting height range of 1.0 to 2.7. The LUBA 2 AWD 5000X aims to deliver a perfectly manicured lawn without the manual labor. One of the standout features is its unbeatable off-road capacity. The powerful four-wheel motor allows it to climb slopes up to 80%, 38 degrees. This ensures it won't get stuck on steep inclines or rough terrain. The UltraSense AI vision and RTK navigation system enables smart, effortless lawn care. It can mow under trees without satellite signals and precisely recognize lawn boundaries. This allows for zero-distance edge cutting, leaving a clean, professional finish. With a dual-blade disc design and a 15.8 cutting width, the LUBA 2 AWD 5000X offers efficient and precise mowing. It ensures every cut is clean, enhancing the overall aesthetic of your lawn. It can manage up to 50 mowing zones, including front and backyards, and no-go zones like pools and flower beds. The LUBA 2 AWD 5000X offers 4G/Bluetooth/Wi-Fi connectivity. This allows you to track its status anytime, anywhere through the Mammotion app. You can select different mowing patterns and designs, including parallel, checkboard, and diamond grid. The 3D lawn printing technology adjusts its mowing route, cutting height, and angle. This allows you to create desired patterns on your lawn. The mower also includes anti-theft features with GPS tracking. Customer reviews highlight the mower's ease of setup and impressive performance. Users appreciate its ability to handle challenging terrains and steep slopes. The app's user-friendly interface and the mower's quiet operation are also frequently praised. However, some users have reported issues with signal loss and battery charging. Despite these concerns, the majority of reviews are positive, emphasizing the time-saving benefits and improved lawn quality. One user on Amazon raves about how the LUBA 2 has improved their lawn and inspired them to do more landscaping. The LUBA 2 AWD 5000X robot lawnmower is a high-tech solution for homeowners seeking to automate their lawn care. Its all-wheel drive, AI vision, and smart connectivity features make it a standout product in the robotic mower market. While the price point is considerable, the time-saving benefits and professional quality results may justify the investment for many. Ready to ditch the lawnmower and reclaim your weekends? Check out the LUBA 2 AWD 5000X on Amazon today. Click the link in the description to learn more and transform your lawn care experience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech reviews.